Now, since it's not a randomized controlled trial, all we can say is that her improvements coincided with her adoption of the whole food plant-based diet. But given the burden of heart failure as a leading cause of death, how it just usually gets progressively worse, and the overall evidence to date, a plant-based diet should be considered as part of heart failure care. And look, we already know it can reverse her coronary artery disease, and so any heart failure benefits would just be a bonus. Now, we just need good strategies for healthcare practitioners to support patients in plant-based eating. Here are some excellent suggestions to pause and reflect on. For example, doctors can use the Plantrition Project's prescription pads and prescribe a good website or two. While it is certainly true that many people would be resistant to fundamental dietary changes, it's equally true that, millions of intelligent people motivated to preserve their health are now taking halfway measures that may provide only modest benefit, right? Choosing leaner cuts of meat, using reduced fat dairy products. Right?